So we all need to mend the fracture here, now. We need to start to understand that your brother and your sister are beside you. And we need to start having a unified front that when they attack us with these types of things, that we can show them. Quit talking, stand up and show them. That's what we've done with Mend the Fracture. That's what we do with the feeding. That's what we've done with Public Adjuster Boot Camp. We don't hold a single thing back. What we teach in the boot camp is exactly what Melanie and I have developed over the last 13 years of doing this. It's an absolute process that has a beginning and an ending to the claim. During that time, we realized not very many people had ever had the opportunity to learn in the public adjusting field. I want you to ask yourself, if we have one of the oldest professions in the world, and we do, public adjusting is at least 130 years old. How many public adjusters are in the state of Florida right now? Nancy, do you know that?
2,700 and change.
Okay, one of the most lucrative professions that you don't need a college degree to get into. One of the oldest professions in the world, and yet you can't find any information on the internet. You can't find any information about it, where we came from. Do you think maybe those same people that are walking around whispering in people's ears about who they should be fighting eradicated some of the things that told who we were and where we come from and why we're such a stigma, why we're locusts? Why would you be allowed to go on national television and say that your agent, not the attorney, should be reviewing your contract? Can the agent review the contract for you?
No.
Who can?
Public adjuster.
No, not even a public adjuster. An attorney can review your contract. Public adjuster can review the policy contract.
That's what I thought.
But they can't review a contract between you and anybody else, because that's only a legal profession can do so. But yet the CFO and all of the insurance agents got up with all of social media's blessings and said, don't sign a contract until you let me review it. They're not attorneys. And the contract that they're reviewing is going to be something that costs them money in the end. It's kind of like sending the guy that owes the money to tell you how much you owe. Doesn't any of that make any sense, does it? Okay, so I'm going to finish up and let Sean have the floor. I'll thank you all for showing up tonight. I urge you, we will have Mend the Fracture in Chicago at the Trump Tower. We will have the boot camp, 7 days. We'll condense it from 5 into 4. We'll have that Monday through Thursday. And then on Friday, we will roll into the conference, and we'll have the conference Friday and Saturday. Vince will have one of these nights at the Trump Tower on Thursday. We'll sponsor it. Stephen Bush and I think Devin here will have an evening on Saturday. We'll do the cocktails there. And then Sean, myself, and Melanie, and Jackie, and TJ Ware will be the host of the end of the night gala. So I hope to see you all there. The hotel block is open till Monday. You have Monday till 11:59 to get your hotel room. That's $265 a night for a 4-star hotel. It is all